When you have opened Shotcut application, it will ask to create either a new project or open a recent project. Since you are new to this, you will have to create a new project. You choose the project folder. When you have chosen your project folder, you have to write the name of the project. This will be a test project. I won't be actually editing a video this time. And this, it will be automatic for whatever you pull in, but if you want a specific video type, then you can choose it here. For the tutorial, I will choose HD, 180p, 30 FPS, since that will be probably what you will use also. And now we're ready to make a video. When you have pulled in the necessary files for your video, after you have pulled in your videos, you can see them in your playlist. You can also change how they are displayed. At this stage, either you can customize your workspace with these buttons, for example, filters, and it opens filters that you can put anywhere, for example, here. These are the filters for the video. Or you can just use these pre-made layouts for effects, the player, audio, color. So it's really a full-blown video editing software with color correction, audio, levels and stuff like that. When you're ready to put in the clips in your timeline, you can just double click them and you can preview them one by one in here. When you're ready to add your clips, you can first stream them. For example, if I want to start this clip here, I click I and I want to end it here. I click O. Then I can just take it and drag it here. Then I have this video. I want to start it here. I want to end it here. I will put it here. Now we have two clips in the timeline. As you can see, we can play them. So what if I want to change the clip here to be the first one? Do I simply drag it here? No, because as you can see, it overwrites the first clip. If I want to not overwrite the first clip, I can clip this ripple, trim and drop. When it's enabled, I can drag this here and the first clip will automatically go to the next place. As you can see, no, it is in the correct order. If you want to fade in the image over the car, you have to add a track with track operations and add a video track. Overlay this here. I will actually make the car track longer. Then I will go and get this circle, click on it, hold it and drag it until I get this line. As you can see, this works like this. I have to remind you, if you want it to be transparent and not black background, you have to click this check mark. Adjust opacity instead of fade with black. I will add the last few clips like this. Remember, these are just some random clips that I'm using to show you how to edit. Now we need some audio, but first, if you have an audio already for the videos and you don't need it, you can click this button to mute it. So it mutes only the video audio. You can then go to track options, add an audio track. Then you have track for audio that you can use to add your music or your voiceover. I just added an MP3 file to the playlist. And now I can add it to that audio track. Then I go to here and simply click O and that cuts it. This is only a basic tutorial. If you want specific techniques or something like that, then please comment below if you want short tutorials for specific functions. I'll be making a Shotcut playlist. If you want to make the audio quieter, simply click on it, go to filters, audio filters and gain volume. Here you can adjust the volume by decibels. I will do it with -20 and let's listen to it. It is quieter. Let's assume you want to add text. Click Open Other, click Text, write in your text, this is text, click OK. Here you can change the font size, font and everything else. And then when you're done, you click this button, overwrite clip onto the current track. And as you can see, the text is here. You can also switch it where you want to end it. And you're done. If you haven't done so already, you can click Save to save it to your project folder. I recommend doing this a lot of times so you don't lose your progress. Let's assume you are ready to export. How will you do that? You will click this disk option that says export. When you click export, this window will show up. You can choose your format here, but for the easiest you can just click YouTube, choose timeline, and if you have good graphics card, use hardware encoder. Now export file, and it's exporting right now. It might take some time, depending on what kind of computer you have. Okay, now it's completed. Okay, since now it's exported, you can check the video by clicking on the video file where you exported it. This was a simple video, but it shows off the basics of Shotcut program and how to edit for free. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you were interested in more content of this type, and see ya!